So, what's your plan for today?
Mm, I will study only.
Okay. Okay. That's great. So, as it is our first opportunity to connect, I would love to go with introduction first. So, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. My name is Kriti and I'm basically from Bihar. But I'm residing in UP and I'm pursuing my master in commerce. And my hobbies are to do some paintings and read some good book. And recently I have developed a YouTube channel. Means I have started my YouTube channel and I'm uploading conversational video. That's all about me.
Okay, that's great. There's a lot of things in your plate. And when it comes to your hobbies, you like to read books. And what other thing? I forgot.
I've, I like doing some paintings.
Okay, yeah, painting, art and craft, something like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're an MCOM student, right?
Yeah, I'm a M.Com student.
It's the first year or second year?
I have completed my first year and I will go in second year.
Okay. So now, like, you're done with the second semester, or it's like a yearly base?
So it is second semester. I have done with that. And from April, the third semester will start.
Okay. So coming back to my introduction, am I allowed to share my introduction, Miss Kirti?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I would love to know about you.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Well, as it is reflecting on screen, I'm Priyanka Kushwa and I'm connecting to from Madhya Pradesh. And if I talk about my education, so I'm in my master's second year of MBA with the specialization of marketing and finance. And apart from this, I'm running my YouTube channel. It's been almost a 2.5 year. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I like to read books and dancing is also one of my hobbies. So that's all about me.
Yeah, that's great to know about you. You are
Yeah.
doing lots of things.
Not lots of, I believe there's a lot more to do still. But yeah, I'm trying my level best.
Sure.
Okay. So please tell me, I mean, why YouTube channel? First of all, let's talk about your English journey a little, right? Because how did you learn English? And you seems very confident. I visited your channel as well.
Yeah, actually, I have completed my education in English medium school. So we in school it was allowed to talk only in English, but my friend was not comfortable to talk. But yeah, due to the teacher pressure and the teacher want whenever teacher notice us, then we talk small talk we do with our friends or something like that. But whenever we have to give some presentation in the class, so there is a requirement to speak only in English. You can't
Okay.
speak Hindi, even a single word. So I gained some of the confidence in my school, but in college days I was not able to talk because in college there are lots of students who come from different background as well as different region. So they talk their Hindi is a prominent language here.
Okay.
So yeah, so most of the people talk only in Hindi, and English was not compulsory to talk. But I want this thing that I should gain this fluency as well as confidence. I love this language. So because of that, I get lots of influence by lots of YouTuber and as well as some of the tutor as well. Admire them.
Mm-hmm.
So I love to be engage myself. I like to engage myself in this language. So I started my journey in October month in 2024, and I am consistent from that day, and I am practicing every day. I try to practice myself that I should practice even a 5 minute a day. So
Yes.
I do some lots of practice, but yeah, sometimes there is an exam in my college or something like that, so I do not practice a lot. I even forget that I have to practice even English. So I just focus on study because there is a lots of pressure in education, and teacher asks to complete your project as well as dissertation. There are lots of things to complete. So I do, yeah, but I do practice nowadays.
Yeah, that's absolutely amazing to hear that you want to become good speaker. Plus you try to engage yourself with this language because the practice is the only thing that can help you to become fluent. Plus I'm amazed that in your schooling you were getting opportunity to speak. It was mandatory there to speak in English, but in college suddenly the things has changed for you. But still you are trying your level best. So that's great. And when it comes to YouTube, so how it started, like what inspires you to start a YouTube channel?
Okay, so nothing, any external thing affected me that I start my channel. But I was looking that whenever I connecting to any YouTuber or someone, so they uploading my video. So and I want that I should do this thing also, because I can check myself that where I was 3 months back and where I am standing today.
Yeah,
So just to check myself, I have started my journey and I have not uploaded too much video. I think so 40 videos till now I have uploaded talking with some people.
good
And
number.
yeah, like yeah.
Yeah, 40 videos are a
So
good number indeed. It takes time. It takes, a lot of time to have conversation and then to upload because, we have to cut some parts also, like, in the starting, in the ending, maybe in the mid, there is a break while talking. So, yeah, it takes a lot of time.
so
I can
this
understand.
yeah, so this is how it is started, but I don't know anything about editing and how to do these all stuff. So yeah, I'm learning those things also. But yeah, anyhow, it is started.
That's great, actually. Even nobody is perfect, in this, but you have to find your niche first. That what are you most passionate about, and once you find it, you can delegate these works to other people, right? Who are very good at this. So first, I
Yeah.
mean, you should go for your interest, like what are you interested in, and then it's not necessary that you have to be perfect in everything, and then you can start. Not like this. Even if you watch my starting videos, like if you see no proper editing, nothing. Even I don't know how to put title properly earlier. So that was the case. But I started, because I wanted to do something on YouTube. So that's how.
Yeah, that's great that you have that courage. You have to develop some courage also, that you have to show yourself, your flaws to the
Yeah,
people, because in starting people do not like your flaws, as well as you are fumbling a lot in the conversation. So, but yeah, people accept, your audience are the big supporter, I can say.
of course, the love and support of audience matter a lot. And I believe that most of, of course, like my subscribers and the people who comment, they write very well. They appreciate me. They motivate me to come up with more such videos. And nowadays, I'm working on my English challenge. That is, I create shorts everyday basis. So the response is really good, and I'm happy with it. Yeah.
That's great.
And that's how I'm also improving, right? Because I'm not a pro in this language, right? So I have to brush up my communication skills. And this is the best platform where I can just, like set the reminder, okay, I have to come up with video. I have to do something for it, for my YouTube channel, for the audience. I cannot, liquid this journey. So it's kind of a responsibility. And that's how I'm also improving. So both, and it's a win-win game, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. So you are an MCOM student. I would love to know a little bit about your future plan. Like what are you supposed to be doing?
So I am pursuing my MCOM these days, but I am preparing for myself for UGC NET exam. You
Okay.
must be aware about this. Yeah.
Hmm.
So I have to study a lot, as well as a paper is around the corner. It
Okay.
will held on June. Yeah. So I have to work hard for that also. So I'm not so much consistent on this language. That's why I cannot afford lots of time here. I am just
Mhm.
trying to engage myself on studies. And there's a, so if you know, being a girl, there's a lots of tasks to do in your house also. So
Absolutely.
you have to support your mother, as well as you have to keep a helping hand to your mother, that whenever she require, then you are available on that time. So
That's
these
must.
things are the, yeah. But teaching is that profession that I love so much, so I want to be a teacher in future. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah, definitely. You will be. All the very best for it. And other thing is that when you mentioned that, we have to juggle with a lot of things, and we cannot, deny with our responsibilities. It's not like a complete responsibility, but of course, automatically, like it just comes from within. Like we should help our mother, father, a little bit, what all we can, but it also takes time. Then again, we have started something as a hustle. For me, it's YouTube, right? And conversation. I teach also, so I have my regular classes as well. Along with that, I'm student, and a lot of things. I mean, I have to write things properly, like what I have to finish today. Otherwise it will also it feels so burden, or like what should I do. But yeah, I'm managing it, and I'm not pro at managing while this I'm not pro at managing this.
No one is pro. Everyone is trying their self that to become a pro. But English journey is you cannot gain this thing in one day, or in some days, or in some month. You have to be consistent and try your best at every level. And one day you will achieve the whatever you want. You will achieve.
Absolutely. It takes time. It takes time to learn a language, especially to become fluent in it. And fluency is not about the, flaw of speaking, like the completely or speaking flawlessly. It's about clarity of your speech, that how clear you are, and how people, like, are they like able to understand you or not. So there are many things, but still you have to, just get up every day, and you have to just do your what all MITs, I mean, most important task, and you can manage it. Because once we have a goal, once we have a target, we anyhow make time for it. What do you think?
Yeah, I also think yeah, some days before I was watching one video, and ma'am was telling about to make a small plan like PPE. She was telling plan and prepare and execute. This thing that set in my mind, that make a small plan. Don't be hustle that no,
Yeah,
I have to a big plan. If you are going to make a big plan, you will procrastinate the thing. But when you are going to make a small plan, then you will do whatever you want. So try to make a small plan and then prepare for that, because we cannot enter in anywhere without preparing ourselves. Even in our school, college, whenever exam take place, so we have to prepare ourselves beforehand. Then we
exactly.
are going to write there. So
So
prepare
you,
yourself and then execute them.
yeah. So do you are you a diary person? Do you write or do you prepare to-do list, something like that?
Yeah, I do something, but not every day. I make in one weekend, and I do same thing for 1 week. I
Okay,
prepare one and do for 1 week. Yeah.
that's quite interesting. But every day we have some, but your schedule is quite same, right? That you have to study and you have to practice with co-learners and good speakers. So you kind of manage with one to-do list. But for me, it's completely different. I have to prepare every night before sleep, like what I supposed to be doing for the next day. So that's how. But yeah, it helps me a lot. Writing is just amazing because when you pen down your thoughts, plus when you write your most important task, as you mentioned, one of the concept here also, so same like this, that I always go for 2 3 main important tasks, because everything we cannot do it in to-do list because of hectic schedule. But yeah, I try to manage what all I can.
So, ma'am, you want to ask something more?
Well, yeah, please tell me about your, like you said, painting. So how long you have been doing painting and crafting? Because earlier I used to do seriously, but now I don't get time for it. Let's see.
Uh, Actually, I do Mithila painting. You must have heard about this. This is a very beautiful painting of Bihar, and this is I think so. You have not heard about that. When you will search today, you search on Google Mithila painting. This is a quite beautiful painting, and
Okay.
it required lots of time. If even you are going to make a small painting, it will take I think so 1 week,
Oh
because
God,
there is a
yeah.
lots of, yeah,
It's
it's
really hard, I guess.
yeah, it's really hard, and you have to prepare a triangle, rectangles, and double lining is required, and so many things stuff is there, and as well as whenever you are doing the colors, it required lots of attention, so you
Okay.
cannot do in a hurry. Yeah, we
It
cannot.
needs
We
focus,
can.
and what a beautiful painting, right? Like
Yeah.
amazing. And I'm really amazed with your skill, right? Mithila painting. I hear for the way I know this. There, I mean, I have seen so many paintings like this, but I don't know we call it Mithila painting. So
Oh.
that's quite interesting, Miss Kirti. Amazing. So how much, like, how in a month, how many paintings you create like this?
Not too much painting I do. I complete one painting within 1 month because I'm very lazy person in doing some this all thing, but I enjoy doing that. I love
Yeah.
whenever I travel with my train. I whenever I went to my village, you will see that whenever you are going to visit Bihar, you will see on the train that they are prepared with the Mithila painting. So it look quite beautiful and admiring and fascinating that you cannot stop your eyes looking that.
Yeah, yeah, of course. It is really, breathtaking. I mean, when I saw it, I was like, wow. And plus, when you see in reality, you will definitely love it. And you can't like escape yourself from just staring at that painting.
Yeah, so this painting I have developed since my childhood, and I even today also whenever someone come to my house, means my neighbors come to house their child, so they say, "Didi, please make for me this thing. Please make this thing for me." So I make all those things for them. I sometimes I irritate also. So my mother say, "Please help me." You know that's why they are coming. Where that's why you are helping them. If you don't know, then why you will help them? So I said sometimes there is my exam and never say no to them, so and my mother do not say no, so I have to do all the activity, so this is the thing that I am doing.
But this is a very good thing that people are coming to you. But on the other hand, sometimes we have to say all the time. You must have heard that this concept that we should learn to say no. Otherwise, we'll be end up doing nothing. It happens.
Yeah, you are right that we should learn to say no also sometime, but my mother don't know this thing, this concept she don't know.
Okay, okay, yeah, because she kind of have a pure heart for everyone, right? It happens that we
Yeah,
should help and like this. Okay, so thank you very much, Miss Kirti, for joining, and I really appreciate your time today, and all the very best for your future.
same here, ma'am. There was a very insightful conversation with you, and I love to talk with you, and I have learned so many things, and I
Yeah,
hope we will connect any other day.
for
Bye.
sure. Bye. Have a good day.